Many women adore red lipstick, so do I, but some are unsure about the right makeup they should do with it. Here I've got a unique, glamorous look coming up that complements red lipstick beautifully. Do give it a try. Prepping the face before makeup is extremely important. Yes, I do use sunscreen right after bath, a light one, but it is very important. After that, I use a spray like I just did and a serum to make sure my skin is properly moisturized and supple. Makeup on dry skin will never have a good effect. Take a liquid foundation of your choice. I always prefer something light. Apply it with a brush of your choice as well, all over the face, and blend it in with a nice foundation brush. Dab your liquid foundation into your face evenly all over. Now time for concealer. I'm using it on just the spots I want to, and I don't want to layer too much. As you know, this page and me especially, I'm all about as natural as possible. At the same time, it's important to look glam, isn't it? Dab your foundation in with any kind of a sponge. I have not dampened the sponge at all because I've moisturized enough, and that should work. Unless I want my look to look really heavy, I don't really bake parts of my face. I just take a loose powder, take one of your own choice, and just lock in the liquid foundation. This is a very elegant eyeshadow palette by K Beauty called Pure Bloom. It's got very, very beautiful and elegant colors, and that's what I'm using today. You can see the shades that I'm using. I'm using a lighter neutral shade on my upper eyelid. Now I'm going to darken the outer corners with this darker brick shade, just to give it a shadow. Blending is a very important part of makeup, which is why I keep it and I don't edit it out so that you know that it's not that quick. But blending is what will give you the correct look and the soft look that suits daily makeup. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow of your choice and a flat brush. This is the PAC 341, and create a little V on the outer corner of your eyes and then blend it inwards without bringing it all the way in. Whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to the lower outer lash line. This kind of a look contours your eyes, giving it a definition, shadows in the right place without any harsh kajal or eyeliner. I always curl my eyelashes, but some women are scared. Do it if you want to. And make sure you complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I prepped my lips with a lot of lip balm because I'm going to be using a powder matte lipstick today. As usual, line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. After that, I'm going to use a red lip liner and a red lipstick, which is very similar to Ruby Woo, but it is Riri Woo by MAC. It is a limited edition, not easily available, but then I realized it is completely identical to Ruby Woo. So you can use Ruby Woo for this look, but just make sure your lips are not dry. I'm going to do some mild contouring. A cute cream blush stick, and I'm going to just blend it in with my finger. Complete your makeup with a highlighter of your choice. Hope you liked the makeup. Hope you found it easy. Do give it a try and let me know how it worked.